Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video I'm importing to one of my files, that is I'm importing CSV files to Python programming. It is very important when it comes to data. You have more number of data that can be analyzed using Python and easily. So in this video you are going to learn how to import CSV files in Python. So stay with me. I'm going to demonstrate whole thing and whole knowledge will you occur so that you never find any error in the program. So before much further ado, I just want you guys to subscribe this channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Here I want to import the one of the library in the Python, that is CSV. Here I completely imported the library, that is CSV file, that is CSV, and I want to take f as variable, and to open that file, that particular file, I just want it to be defined in my destiny, that is the file is located on a D in Python folder. The file name is book1.csv for my convenience, and I want to close out this braces, and also I want to close this parenthesis, so it accepts. So next file I want to give as read file function as name to read the file in the library called CSV. I made the mistake. There is read file equals to CSV dot reader, and the variable I taken there is f. It has to read the, so that is the file f in the destiny folder which I given there. So let me just click arrow and it accepts. Let me print out what I have in the CSV file. So to print out that, I need it to be first done as column. Let me print out the column first. So the call is not defined. Let me just do it again. To import here, from here to copy this function. Guys, don't just move out this video, because learning from the error, as I told you earlier, is the best ever. If you learn from this error, then it might be stored in your long-term memory, that will never going anywhere. And for to that, I just making silly mistakes that can also be easily performed by you, so that you never going to forget what you have in your life. So print, let's say to print out, as it gives the destination of that particular file. Let me just copy again, just print out there, and just also copy this again and also paste it there. And here I want to print the read file. So let's say row. It might be seen that it will not going to print out what I expecting. Let's do it again, that read the file function. So it is an object. It can also be done. So just to make sure you to learn what that is. Here also it copies and pasted your print the function that we want to is f is not going to print out the damn thing. So let's say row, it might be seems that it is not. So here I made that mistake. I have not using the for loop so that it can be printed out completely. So let me use again for you guys for calls in read file. It will then going to be. Let me just copy from the first. That is the first we have to import the library called CSV, and then we have to open the file and this directly in wherever your computer file, that is the file is. Before to print, let me just take that is column as a variable call in the read file. So it is reading whole the file, yeah, that is in the read file. So let me print out the call. It will be printed completely. So here I made completely this now printed completely. So here's how you implement the CSV file in the Python programming. Let's sign out this video and do check out my blog for more updates about me and myself. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything. Bye bye. See you in the next video.